The ER14 Hazard-Risk Assessment Register can be used to review and summarize hazards associated with your business operations. The listing of hazards can then be used to prepare an overview of the risks with associated risk rating and also summarize current controls in place to mitigate the risks identified. The Activities Hazards sheet of the register is where all activities and areas of operation can be listed with the associated hazards detailed. As well as the hazards detailing anything that can cause harm, the persons at risk should also be identified. Once details of the activity and hazards are added, the risk rating can be completed using the likelihood and consequence rating matrix to determine the inherent risk. This inherent risk rating gives an indication of the level of risk before any controls are considered and will help to identify high-risk activities. Control measures currently in place and details of any specific risk assessments completed can be detailed to determine the residual risk rating after consideration of the controls in place. Also log any relevant legislation and guidance associated with the risk, such as equipment regulations. Additional notes can also be added to log information including details from any past incidents, opportunities to improve and comments from key interested parties. On the Risk Assessment Register, you can list the risk assessments that have been completed, in addition to the associated risk rating, name of person who completed the risk assessment, the date completed, frequency for renewal, renewal date, as well as any comments/actions and opportunities that should be noted. To assist with the review and identification of hazards, a hazard review sheet is included and details a listing of common hazards and a rating or notes applied to each hazard category. This sheet therefore provides a summary of all hazards present in your business, and can be used as a prompt to ensure all required risk assessments have been completed. Thanks for watching. For full access to all content, consider taking out an alphaZ subscription and view all of our resources covering hazards and risks.